Hi, I'm Robin, and today I want to show you how to use Dipel to deter the white cabbage moth from your brassicas. Brassicas include cabbage, cauliflower and broccoli. Dipel is a bacteria, an organic bacterium, and it's completely safe for bees, birds, ladybirds, fish, mammals and pets. What we will do is make this up. I'll tell you how to do that, and then I'll show you how to best apply it to the brassicas. So it's a Yates product, and it comes with a number of these sachets which have 10 milligrams in them, and you make it up in water. So what I've done is I have filled this is a 9-litre watering can, but in fact if you took it to the top it would be 10 litres. I don't need 10 litres today, so I've just done half, and what I've done is filled it to 2.5 litres. Then I've put half a sachet in and stirred it and agitated it very well indeed. Then I've put the other 2.5 litres of water into the watering can and I've agitated it again. So I'm going to pour it into a basin now, and you can see, I think that it is quite a whitish, almost muddy colour in the basin. It can be quite difficult to get Dipel onto your plants. They need to be covered both the top side and the underside of the plant. So what I do if I've got a punnet is I simply push my fingers through to the other side of the punnet like this, and then I tip it upside down and dip it in. It doesn't matter if a bit of soil goes in, and I agitate it around till I think that both the tops and the bottoms will be covered. Now you can see that that's pretty well done. Now if I've got a single plant, this is a red cabbage, I'm going to take it by its base and do exactly the same thing. And again, I don't mind if the water gets soil in it. Now that is completely covered. Once you've planted the brassicas in the garden, and you could use this also for Asian greens, you need to give them a spray of Dipel every 5 or 7 days, and that can be quite difficult to get to the underside. So use a spray bottle, make sure that it's spraying well, and it's easy to spray the top but the underneath is quite hard. So sometimes I just use a shallow bowl and I will just sort of dip them over into the bowl, and you can do that when they're quite small. Don't put too much pressure on or you might snap the stem, but otherwise it's quite a good way to go. So what happens is that after the caterpillar takes a bite of the foliage, it stops eating, but it takes a few days to drop off the leaf. However, as you would know, the white cabbage moth lays its eggs on these brassicas, and it's those eggs that develop into the green and very hungry caterpillar.